Okay, another quick little video. The LS460, the long wheelbase. For those of you that have the rear heating and air conditioning, and then there's a cabin filter for that. If you're in the trunk, you see the little door there. This is the part, I believe, for element air filter, air refiner. This should be the part for that. Now, I've already looked at this filter and it doesn't look bad. It's probably the one that's been in there since the car was made, but I'm not sure. But we're gonna go ahead and change it anyway. I don't really get too many passengers in the rear seat, so the rear seat doesn't get used a lot for the AC side of it. But let's see here. It's got two. Just pull this. There's two little pins, one on each side here, and you move down there and it just snaps off. A couple snaps. You see the air filter there, and then we just pull this out. See, this one's got a little different look to it. If we're going up, charcoal on the back, it doesn't look bad at all. It's got that little metal pin there. So we open up the new one, compare it. And so there's a new one. So there's the up again, cover on the back. Just kind of compare it side to side. So yeah, it looks pretty good all the way around. Pretty good. Only thing is the replacement. This one had that little clip in there. I don't know if that was just what that was for, but it comes right off. You have the new one. So I'm going to set this down so that okay. Go back to it again. There's the new one again. There's that little plastic piece. It was just kind of in the middle, just kind of random, went in the middle like so. You see inside there, a little fan down in there. So just like we did the other one, slide that out, sit all the way. Put your clips, one on each side. Find the first one. I did notice one thing. The clips are different. See, it's horizontal and then vertical. So it's got to go this way because that's the vertical, it's horizontal. So it goes on one way. And you are done. So the old one, like I said, isn't so bad. Probably got some life left in it for sure. So that's what that is. So that's this little video. If you have one of those, what to do and what part number. That'll work. Thank you.